Make a hole in the large end of the egg. Remove the egg and set aside the shell. These total 4 eggs. Whisk well. 100 milliliters of warm water. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of soda ash, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon MSG. Stir well. Whisk and mix with egg mixture until darker in color. Strain the egg mixture to remove impurities. If you don't have a steam rack, make one out of paper towels. Put the egg mixture back into the eggshell. Be careful not to fill it up. When the water boils, turn the heat to minimum. Steam for 8 minutes. Split the steamed egg in half. Prepare sesame seeds in advance. Cumin powder, chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon MSG, a 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Could use a little more oil. Fry on low heat until lightly charred on both sides. Brush with a layer of ketchup. Sprinkle in the seasoning. Stir well. It's a taste of home, elastic texture, very flavorful.